we are kicking off a program under his guidance for pre-primary schools, where the kindergarten children will be hopefully be taken up at least in some schools as a pilot study for training, right from agility down to having fun with the ball. And to start this, tomorrow we are starting a 2-day workshop for teachers from these pre-primary schools who are interested, wherein he will give them certain guidelines and points and see if they are really interested. Then we go ahead as a pilot project, and we would like to involve more and more kids at younger stage. Initially when we started at the age of about 7 years, but now our trend is to already start from standard 1 and standard 2, that is 5 years onwards. And with this addition of his, we will hopefully go into even the pre-primary and start getting the boys, the children involved in agility, coordination, playing with the ball, having fun with the ball, and ultimately getting to like the game right from a very tender age. As they say, catch them young, see them grow. And this is the policy that is followed in most of the developed countries around the world.
Fantastic, Doctor. Thank you for talking to us. Best of luck. So there you go. That's the mission of GFDC. Catch them young and watch them grow. And as they take their level of development to the next level with the appointment of Technical Director Kat Naidu, and they have also plans to catch the youngsters as young as those in the first and second standard. So it's a great opportunity for all the youngsters, grassroots level youngsters out there to take up to football. I now have with me the coach of the Uttarda GFDC Center, Lineth Waz. Coach, could you give us an overview as to how many teams you have here in the Rising Stars 2 campaign?
For under 12 we have 5 teams and under 10 we have 2 teams. So we will be playing altogether 20 matches. It is a league system. We have only like 10 girls, but 4 are very senior like,
Okay.
6 are juniors. So let's see if we are going to put the team for the for the inter center.
Right.
Yeah, only one team we will.
And how many boys come here for training?
Every day, like we have 2 sessions. One in the 4 to 5 is for Monday, and on Tuesday 5 to 6. For 4 o'clock group, we have 30 boys and mixed girls. And for 5 o'clock group, we have 50 boys.
Okay. What do you think about this opportunity for the youngsters?
This is like grassroots level. So I think these boys will really come up if they have interest. And I think as a coach, they have lots of interest. We give good nutrition also for them. So they are very happy. And the parents are, yesterday we had a meeting, parents are very happy.
Very importantly, you said parents and their involvement is so important. So overall, the parents of all these kids, how are they?
They are very
They are
good.
supportive
They
enough?
are supportive enough. They come whenever we call them. They come, they give good interest. With children, they come, they reach, they go back, again they come. They take a lot of interest, parents.
Very nice. And how many villages do these boys and girls come from?
Majorda, Uttarda, Kalata, and some from Arosi. It's a close neighboring village.
So this center caters to now at least 4 villages.
Yeah. But main is Majorda, Uttarda, Kalata. Main.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
All 3 clubs. Saint Rock Club, the Majorda Club, and United Club. They are united and they form this center.
Fine. Thank you for talking to us and best of luck.
Yeah.
for the
Thank
future.
you.
So, respected members of our Uttarda Center belonging to Kalata, Majorda and Uttarda, all parents gathered here and my dear trainees and coaches. Today we begin the what tournament? What is the name of the tournament? No. Vodafone GFDC Rising Stars 2nd edition football festival. Okay? And we call it Rising Stars because we consider all of you young boys and girls as future stars. We want you all to train hard, play joyfully, enjoy the game and be champions of tomorrow. You know that Goa has produced a lot of good players in the past and we want that many of you all should become star players of Goa and of India tomorrow. So we have started this 2nd edition of the tournament and we want to see that you boys and girls from this center perform well, play your hearts out. Winning is not the only goal, playing is more important, competition is important. See that you all play fair and square and in the right spirit of the game and see that we have the tournament going off in a nice way because there's a lot of talent among you boys. I know this center is only hardly 3 months old. It is our latest center, but I expect a lot of good to come from this center. So all the best. Play hard, play well, and play fair. Enjoy the tournament. Okay? Very good.
Dr. Rufin Montero is the chairman of JFDC, topmost, the boss of JFDC, and he has chosen to come today to Toda. Give him a very big hand. Thank you, Doctor.